This old penny might look worn, scratched, stained, or ready for the junk jar, but don't be fooled. One small detail could turn an ordinary-looking coin into a collector's dream worth thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars. The 1952 D. Lincoln wheat cent may look like just another old penny, but this small bronze coin has a fascinating story that continues to attract collectors across the United States. Even if it appears dark, dirty, or heavily worn from decades of circulation, it could still deserve a closer look. Millions of these coins were spent on everyday purchases, carried in wallets, and dropped into jars, yet many have survived to become treasured pieces of American history. The 1952 D. Lincoln wheat cent was struck at the Denver Mint during a period of remarkable growth in the United States. The nation was rebuilding and expanding after World War II. New homes were being built, highways were growing, and American families were enjoying a period of economic opportunity. As the country moved forward, pennies like the 1952 D became part of daily life. They bought candy, newspapers, and a variety of everyday necessities, quietly passing through countless hands. The front of the coin features the familiar portrait of President Abraham Lincoln. This design first appeared in 1909 to honor the 100th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. It was the first regular U.S. circulating coin to feature a real historical figure. Above Lincoln is the word Liberty, while the date 1952 appears to the right. Just below the date is the small D mint mark, showing that the coin was produced at the Denver Mint. On the reverse are two wheat ears surrounding the words 1 cent and United States of America. This classic wheat cent design remained in use until 1958 before being replaced by the Lincoln Memorial design in 1959. Because of these wheat stocks, collectors often refer to these coins simply as wheat pennies. The 1952 D wheat cent was produced in very large numbers. More than 746 million were minted, making it one of the more common wheat cents. Because so many were made, circulated examples are usually worth only a small premium over face value. However, that does not mean every 1952 D penny is ordinary. Condition plays a major role in determining value. A coin that spent decades in circulation will naturally show wear on Lincoln's hair, cheek, coat, and the wheat stalks on the reverse. These circulated coins are common, but examples that escaped circulation and still display their original mint luster are much harder to find. Collectors are always willing to pay more for coins with strong details, clean surfaces, and attractive color. Copper coins also develop different colors as they age. A bright reddish coin that has been carefully preserved since it left the mint is usually the most valuable. Coins with a mixture of red and brown are also desirable, while fully brown coins are the most common. Natural color changes are completely normal and often tell the story of a coin's long journey through history. One of the first things collectors examine is the mint mark. On a genuine 1952 D Lincoln cent, the small d below the date should appear clear and properly shaped. While this date is not famous for major varieties, experienced collectors still inspect each coin carefully for unusual features, including doubled lettering, die cracks, off-center strikes, or other minting errors. These unusual mistakes can make an otherwise common coin much more valuable. Many people make the mistake of cleaning old pennies to make them shine. Unfortunately, cleaning usually lowers a coin's collector value. The original surface, even if it looks dark or dirty, is often preferred by collectors. Years of natural aging create a unique appearance that cannot be replaced once it has been polished or scrubbed away. Storage is also important. Copper reacts to moisture, fingerprints, and harsh environments. Keeping old coins in protective holders and handling them only by the edges helps preserve their condition for future generations. Even a small scratch or fingerprint can reduce a coin's appeal to collectors. The 1952 wheat cent reminds us that history can survive in the smallest everyday objects. During the year these coins were produced, Americans were living through an exciting period of technological progress and social change. Yet millions of people carried these pennies without imagining that decades later they would become collectible pieces of history. For many collectors, the excitement comes from the hunt. Searching through old jars, inherited collections, estate sales, or rolls of pennies from the bank can still uncover wheat cents that have been hidden away for years. Finding a 1952 among modern pennies is always a rewarding experience, especially for beginners building their collections. Professional grading services can authenticate and grade exceptional examples. Coins that receive very high grades often command significantly stronger prices than average circulated pieces. The difference between a worn coin and a nearly perfect uncirculated example can be dramatic. The 1952 Lincoln wheat cent also serves as an excellent reminder that value is not determined only by age. Many older coins remain common because they were produced in huge numbers, while some newer coins become valuable because of low mintages or unusual errors. Knowledge is one of the most valuable tools any collector can have. Whether your 1952 wheat cent is worth only a few cents or considerably more depends on its condition, color, originality, and any unusual minting characteristics. Every coin deserves a careful inspection before being spent or discarded. What looks like an ordinary old penny may have far more historical significance than most people realize. The next time you sort through pocket change or open an old coin jar, pay close attention to every wheat penny you find. The 1952 Lincoln wheat cent represents more than a single cent of spending power. It represents a piece of American history that has traveled through generations, survived decades of change, and continues to inspire collectors today. Goodbye, guys.